Hi, little artists! Today we're drawing a cool computer setup with a screen, keyboard, mouse, table, and even a pencil jar. Let's get started step by step. Step 1. Draw the computer screen. First, draw a big rectangle in the center of your page. This is the frame of the computer screen. Inside this rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. That's the display area where we see pictures, games, or videos. Now, add a little base at the bottom to help the screen stand up. Step 2. Next to the screen, draw a small oval shape. That's the mouse. Step 3. Below the screen, draw a long rectangle. That's your keyboard. Now, draw little lines to make the keys. Did you know? A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Step 4. Let's draw 2 straight lines on both sides. This shows the table the computer is sitting on. Step 5. Draw a pencil jar. Now on one side of the table, draw a small jar. Let's add something on the screen. Color time! I'm using gray for the computer frame, but you can choose your favorite color. Let's color the keyboard brown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with us.